Hello again and welcome back. I hope you're having a great 2024 so far. As usual, we talk about all the latest trends and actionable tips for your business and marketing growth. But today we're going to switch a little bit and talk about career and doing what you love. So for those who are looking to be a marketer or transitioning into one, but you don't have any experience, don't worry, we got you covered as we're going to explore more about the topic today. So stay tuned. So let me share you my personal experience. I'm going to take you back to the beginning of my journey. I started out as an engineer, believe it or not. And while I enjoyed the technical challenges, I felt a total calling towards the dynamic world of marketing, whereby I can be myself, doing creative things, especially campaigns, designs, and so forth. It seems like a drastic shift, but here's the thing, it's absolutely doable, and I'm the living proof. So back in the early 2000s, it is extremely difficult to make a career transition, especially we don't have any social media, we don't have any, YouTube where you can rely on digital education and so forth. And now we have courses dedicated to digital marketing, even graphic design, and it's more accessible than ever before. So back in those days, I think you will probably guess my age by now, digital marketing was still in its infancy stage. Of course, we don't have any Facebook, we don't have any Instagram, and probably we rely more on websites and emails. There was no resource for us to learn, so I had to take long journey whereby I had to upskill, branch out into taking marketing course so that I can pursue my career in marketing. Apart from upskilling and having necessary qualifications, the only way I could make a transition is to freelance work or gigs that itself provide me a guaranteed avenue or to break into marketing roles. Fast forward to 2023, we are in the digital age where everything is accessible online. You can learn, network, and hustle to achieve whatever goals you set out to do. So for those who are making a transition, you know that your existing skills are complementary. For example, project management skills can translate into managing marketing campaigns, and analytical thinking can be applied to interpreting data and metrics. Now let's talk about acquiring marketing knowledge and skills. It is essential to bridge the gap between your background, any background, and the marketing field. The first step in becoming a marketer with no experience is to invest in self-knowledge. There are countless online resources such as Udemy, courses that are provided by institutions, and of course you can rely on YouTube videos, and you can find online providing guides and tutorials ranging from SEO to digital marketing. So there are definitely countless of ways that you can gain skills just like that. Before I share you the tips and recommendations, please give us a like and follow this channel. Now let's talk about building your own brand. If you're just starting out, you can showcase your skills by creating your online presence. The first strategy is to start a blog, create a personal website, or just set up a portfolio showcasing your projects and achievements. This not only demonstrates your passion for marketing, but also serves as a tangible example of your capabilities when approaching potential employers or clients. So, one effective way to showcase your marketing skills, especially when you're transitioning, is to build a portfolio. You can gain practical experience by taking on freelance projects, whether it is free. For now, you have platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and even Fiverr, which are great, excellent platforms to find opportunities to work on real-world projects. You can take on personal projects or collaborate with your friends and families to create marketing campaigns. This not only demonstrates your capabilities but also provide tangible examples to present during interviews. Don't worry if initially have to offer your services at a lower rate to build your portfolio. You can accumulate successful projects, and let me tell you this, you can gradually increase your rates and attract higher paying clients. Now let's tackle the networking challenge. Building a network may seem daunting, but there are ways that you can connect to industry professionals even if you're just starting out. When it comes to social media, LinkedIn is the place to go. You can utilize this platform to connect to professionals in the digital marketing arena. You can join relevant groups and participate in discussions. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for informational, guides, especially for interviews. Genuine engagement and curiosity can open doors. So, of course, you need to update your LinkedIn profile and demonstrate and showcase your capabilities, your specialties, and your skills to maximize your opportunities for the next job and career. So lastly, marketing is an ever-evolving landscape with trends and technologies shifting at a rapid pace. What worked last year might not cut it today, so staying relevant means keeping up with these changes and adapting to the strategies accordingly. Think about the rise of short-form video content, the impact of social commerce, or the shift towards sustainable and purpose-driven marketing. These trends reshape how brands connect with their audience, and to stay competitive, you need to know how to do it and how to run it. Don't be afraid to experiment. Test new strategies, platforms, and even technologies. Embrace a culture of innovation within yourself, within your team, and organization. So there you have it, strategies and tips on how to become a marketer with no experience and no network. It's always important to embrace the learning process. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with determination and the right approach, you can pave your way to a successful marketing career. And of course, it's important to do what you love. If you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow aspiring marketers, and comment down below with your question or experiences. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. So until next time, I'll see you again.